try to get this. I think I'm going to leave it. Okay, if I learned anything this morning, it's that Premier Smith can juggle 1,000 topics and be on top of them. That was amazing. Very impressive. I also learned that 2 minutes goes extremely fast, so this 5 minutes is going to go even faster, I think. So I'll jump right into it. I just wanted to introduce everyone to our company, NPS Industrial Power Corp, and talk a little bit about this power project that we're looking to bring online in southern Alberta. So we are a private, fully integrated power generation company, a natural gas producer committed to the development and ownership of electrical power projects in Alberta. We develop fit-for-purpose generation projects, negotiate for grid access, including inside the fence and finance and ownership options. Currently, our operations, we have 2 gas-to-power projects, one at House Mountain and one at Carr Creek. House Mountain is in Greenview, 7 megawatts of installed power capacity. It's a flare reduction scheme. We take gas that would otherwise be flared from a producer, and we produce electricity and sell into the AESO pool and the grid. Our other project at Carr Creek, we are 2.8 megawatts of installed capacity, running high-efficiency Enbacher generators there as well, providing baseload power to a midstream pumping operation. Our other operations in southern Alberta in Vulcan County is a natural gas facility and field called Arrymore. We run about 100 shallow gas wells. Current production is around 1,400 GJs per day. Fairly simple shallow gas field. For us, that's a real platform for growth. This is where we're proposing our 168 megawatt power project. And so that's the new project here. We have recently applied to the AESO for this project. We're in the queue and about to step into the detailed planning stages. As you heard me mention briefly before, we'd like to see that process speed up and really incentivize and support new gas-fired generation. These projects are important for stabilizing the grid across Alberta, but particularly that part of southern Alberta. We see a lot of intermittent power, a lot of grid congestion, real issues, and we think there's a real need for more baseload gas-fired generation, and we're really keen to bring this project online, likely in phases. We're actively planning the first 10 megawatt phase now, with future phases probably 40 megawatts at a time to get up to a total of 168 megawatts of gas-fired peaking and baseload generation in southern Alberta. This is the location of the project. We call it Arrymore in Vulcan County. Small parcel of land, about 30 acres in total surface disturbance. It's near Lomond and Brooks, and closest residence about 5 kilometers away. We've been actively talking to landowners. The feedback we're getting has been extremely positive. They want to see this development in the area. You know, you hear a lot of stories and rhetoric around renewables and surface impact. I don't know what every landowner in the province thinks, but local to this region, 100% of the folks we've talked to are supportive of more gas-fired generation. They don't want to see more wind and solar in their backyard due to the surface impacts and reclamation concerns they have. That's what we're being told. So we're working closely with the county. We're working closely with the landowners. So far we've had great support, and really the next challenge for us is to step through the regulatory process and get this project financed and built. This is an example of what it looks like. These are the gas turbines. There's 2 of them there. We'll likely have up to 4 of these on our sites at full completion. And you know, pretty small surface footprint for large power output. I think I've touched on this, sort of the size of the project. We're also looking at carbon capture and storage options for the project. There's a bunch of uncertainty in that space right now around, you know, both the regulatory environment and the cost. So we're building it carbon capture ready, and we're going to make that final decision in the future as we kind of go through the stage gates on planning. It's a $300 million project. We're just starting the process now to talk to financial partners and look at optimal ways to finance the project. And I guess in closing, the benefits, I've touched on a bunch of these, but reliability and stability of the Alberta electric grid, first and foremost. High electric demand increasing across the province. We need more reliability. We need to remove instability and support the grid. Financially, we have the ability to meet provincial and federal regulations. We're located in an area with a small footprint. This is going to create a lot of jobs, a lot of development, stable tax base, and support keeping the lights on in Alberta. So that's it. Thank you.